Hello everyone, welcome back to Ziftech. So I know it's late, but here are my thoughts on the 10th gen Intel CPUs. So let's get to the a little bit of history here. So after the release of Ryzen, Intel has been in a lot of heat as Ryzen have been having more cores, but Intel managed it by giving more clock speed and higher TDP and holding on to the gaming outlet. They were all okay before, but after the release of the third gen Ryzen and or the Zen 2 CPUs, which matched Intel in most of the games, or even outperformed in some of them like CS:GO, and in professional workouts like tear them apart. They were nowhere close. This all happened because of its IPC improvements and clock speed improvements. Intel tried handling it by releasing the i9 9900KS with the all-core 5 GHz boards, but it was more costlier than i9 9900K, nearly like $900 to $800. I think $600 to $700. And the i3s and i7 were no match or performance to the Ryzen stuff. So here we go again, Intel trying to hold on to its one trick, the best gaming CPU. So Intel is releasing the 10th gen i9 10900K or something with 10 cores. So they have increased the i9 series with 2 more cores and all-core boost of 5.9 GHz, that is up to 5.3 GHz, which is like weird because they have like velocity boost, Intel turbo boost 3.2 and normal boost technology. So there is a lot of difference. So it is like 4.8 all cores and sometimes turbo up to 4.9. so that's the equal to it, and it still runs on a 14 nanometer process. Every CPU comes with USD 630 graphics except the F series. Other than that, the i7 to i3 all have hyper-threading now with 2 extra cores. The i7 have 8 core 16 threads, i5 6 core 12 threads, and i3 with 4 core 8 threads. Intel is actually fine right now, as they are not that bad. Even though if compared to AMD, they are bad, they are worse. They are in a bad situation right now. But compared to 9th gen Intel CPUs, each have 2 more cores and hyper-threading. They all are unlocked. Most of them are unlocked and have hyper-threading with a better graphics. So it's not all bad. But one thing to note is that you need a new motherboard, a chipset Z490, and a new socket also. So they I think Gigabyte ROS said that their motherboard will have the hardware support for 4th gen 4.0 PCIe 4.0. So we'll have to see. So maybe the 11th gen CPUs will be so good that they have changed the socket. Now we'll have to see. So the i3, the i5 seems to be a better budget CPUs with 6 core and 12 threads. Pricing seems to be a little bit higher than the R5 3600. So we'll have to see the actual hardware reviews coming out maybe in a month or so. We'll have to wait for that. But the main thing is Intel really need to shrink its dice, or else they can do nothing but watch its shrinking market share. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.